It's all about the stories. If you say we're rolling out AI, most people would say, what is AI? I don't know how to use AI. We're still training people on how to use Teams. When starting on the Copilot journey, we need to show people what the future looks like, spark their curiosity to spend time learning something new and different, help them see the benefits. So where do we start? It all begins with painting a picture of what the future could look like. It's sharing stories about Copilot, how it's being used in other organizations, and the impact it's having on people's ways of working. People love hearing how other businesses are doing things. It makes a huge difference as they can see how they could use Copilot. We also need to generate our stories within our own organizations and start the movement for Copilot. We need to think about who's best to pilot Copilot and start generating these stories. We find it often helps to get people to start using Copilot at home. Download the app. It really helps get the hang of writing great prompts, and then they can bring those learnings into the workplace. It's important to support the people selected for the pilot and train them in how to use Copilot. Then it's more than just assigning licenses. Rolling out Copilot is about having a campaign to empower people so they become unstoppable when it comes to using Copilot. The technology part is easy. The challenge is if you want your people to go back again and again to use Copilot, then you need them to hit that Copilot button at least 21 times to embed the habit. You might need different strategies to bring on different groups of people within the organisation. There will need to be a learning journey, so it's important to have good blended learning programs in place. And remember to measure progress so you can continue sharing more stories and hints and tips around how people are using Copilot within your organisation. At the 365 Training Hub, we're all about Copilot. Get in touch today. We'd love to help you on your Copilot journey.